Have you ever wanted to add a personal touch to your footwear? With ISlide, you can customize your own pair of slides to express your unique style. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to customize your slides step by step. First, start by selecting the color of your slides. ISlide offers a wide range of colors that are perfect for customizing your footwear to your individual style. From classic color combinations to bold, eye-catching hues, there's a shade to match every outfit and occasion. Once you've chosen your color, it's time to add to the design. With a wide range of fonts, pick the one you like best. For a personalized touch, just add your name to the sides. You can upload any image to create a unique and personalized look. This is where you can create a one-of-a-kind and customized look that truly represents you. Finally, review your design to make sure it's exactly what you want. Once you're happy with it, place your order and wait for your custom ISlides to arrive. You can expect your personalized slides to be shipped in just 10 days. The possibilities are endless, so make your footwear custom and stand in what you stand for with ISlide.